How to extract RAR files in ExpressZip. Extracting RAR files on your computer is quick and easy with ExpressZip. Simply import your file into ExpressZip. Select your output destination, then click the Extract Selected or Extract All button. Your newly extracted files will now appear in your output folder. Another quick way to extract RAR files with ExpressZip is to simply right-click on the file on your computer and select Extract here. This will automatically unpack the contents of the file wherever it is located. Continue watching this tutorial to review this process again in more detail. To extract RAR files on your computer, first save the RAR file to your computer. Open ExpressZip and select Open an existing archive. If ExpressZip is already opened, click on the Add Files button. Select the RAR file you would like to extract and open it into ExpressZip. Right-click and select Open to view the files before extracting them. Select your extract location or output folder at the bottom of the program. To extract all files, simply click the button that says Extract All. To extract only certain files, select the files you want and then click the button that says Extract Selected. You can also right-click on the files in the program and select Extract and Extract All or Extract Selected. Your newly extracted files will now appear in your output folder. For more ExpressZip tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.